All right, so most of you guys probably already know that you can switch out your PlayStation 5 console covers, which you can buy directly from Sony or you can get it from third parties. So this is where eXtremeRate comes in. They sent out a sick cover for my PlayStation 5, which I'm super hyped to install myself. So in this video, we're just going to install it and see how it looks. Now, this cover is inspired by The Great Wave by the artist Hokusai. So if you're interested in picking this up, stay tuned for the final look. Now, this cover retails for about $70 on Amazon, which I will say it's about $15 more expensive than the Sony ones. They are different though, and the design is a little bit more complex than Sony's. Now, do you see yourself changing your PS5 cover or just kind of sticking with the standard white? You get a few anti-slip stickers as well, and then you get a skin decal that goes alongside the middle of your PlayStation. Now, make sure you guys turn off the console and remove all the wires from the console itself, just because it'll make the installation process a little easier. Start on the side with the PlayStation logo and just pull up on the corner slightly and pull back as well. Now, don't be shy. Make sure you give it a good pull. That way it comes off clean. Now, to put the cover on, you're going to push it down and then slide it up and it should click into place. Again, you should hear a little click and that's how you know it's on right. Now, flip your little $500 piggy bank around and you're going to put on the next faceplate. Now, same process for this side as well. You're going to pull up and then pull back at the same time and it should pop right off. Now, I didn't want to use the decal on the console. I just thought the black with the design of the art looked fantastic. But if you want to add the decal, definitely do so. Now, if you guys want to add the decal or the anti-slip stickers, definitely do so. That's up to you guys. So I'm placing my console horizontal. So I'm using the PlayStation 5 stand that came along with it. Like, I love the cover. I think the printing on the cover itself is really clean and very clear. Now, is it worth the $70? I don't know if it's worth the $70, but when you compare it to Sony's covers, those go for $60 and it's just a static basic color and that's all you get. At least with this, you get the decal, you get the anti-slip covers, and then you also get the awesome printing of art on your console. Now, that's it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Ciao.